Kaya Zumba, Kaya Karaoke, raffle draws, Kaya Cup matches, and many more. G-Fiber Prepaid frees families all around the Philippines from magandang umaga, tanghali o gabi o kung saang parte man ng mundo kayo naroon. For today's video, samahan niyo ako sa Barangay Court ng Halulut as we attend a one-day grand launch of the G-Fiber Prepaid's movement for faster connection. We are here to introduce and bring G-Fiber Prepaid closer to the community as their ideal internet connection that is both affordable and fast. Sa whole-day event na ito, the community was able to participate in different activities such as Barangay Kaya Zumba, Kaya Karaoke, raffle draws, Kaya Cup matches, and many more. G-Fiber Prepaid frees families all around the Philippines from slow, expensive internet so we can move forward in life with the fast, affordable, unlimited internet connection we deserve. Kaya kung gusto mo ng mabilis at affordable internet connection with no monthly bills dahil prepaid ito, sa halagang 699 pesos for 30 days with up to 50 Mbps, kaya-kaya na. Para sa mas mabilis at swak na internet para sa pamilya, apply now via Globe One app. Thank you for watching. Magandang umaga.